Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily restore a video quality on your Android devices. So if you got blurry videos or a bad quality videos, you can just easily transform or restore your video quality using these apps on your Android device. So the app is called Wink. This one's right here. You can find it easily on the Google Play Store. So let's just launch the app. So the Wing app is a video and also photo editor that you can use, and one of the feature is you can use the image quality or restore video quality restoration that you can easily use for your bad quality video. So let's just tap on new to start a new project, and you can just choose the video that you want to edit. Okay, so for example, I'm going to repair the videos right here, this videos right here, and now you can just tap on start after you selecting your videos. And let's just see the video first. So this is the video. You can see I want to fix its color and also the quality, of course. And to start, you can just click on a video in here on a timeline, and you'll see at the bottom there will be this image quality option. You can tap on that, and here there are two options: the quality restoration and AI repair. So here I'm going to use the quality restorations to fix the quality of the video, and here there are three options: HD, Ultra HD, and also portrait. But this one is a VIP feature, so you need to pay for it if you want to use it. So here I'm going to just use the Ultra HD, and I want to have a better quality by using this Ultra HD. You can just tap on it. Okay, after this you can just click on the process now. And after you choose the quality, it will be processing. So the wait times could based on your network status and also file size. So it depends on the internet connection and also the file size, and the bigger the size, it will take longer to process. So you can just wait patiently until your video done. Okay, so after it's finished, you can see the difference. This is the before and this is the after. You can see the color is much better and the quality is also much better. And so that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks button below. Bye.